Hi, everybody. My name is Colleen Tapia. I'm a freelance resume writer, and I'm coming to you today on behalf of Princess Dental Staffing with some tips and tricks that I hope are going to help you throughout your dental career. So, today, what I want to talk about is how to write a resume for a front office position in a dental office when you don't have any experience. I know it can seem kind of daunting, but there is a way to do it, and I'm going to share how you can accomplish this. Okay? So, there's a technique that I use for clients who want to change careers, and it's a very easy technique and it's very simple, but I think it's very effective. And I'm going to share how I do this. So, first, step one, you have to do your research. Okay. So, first and foremost, go to any job posting board, Indeed, Career Builder, Monster, Princess Dental Staffing, and take a look at some of their front office position postings. Okay. I would take a look at maybe 4, 5, or 6, and then I would make a list of all of the words that you keep seeing repeated over and over and over again. So, I would probably make a list of about 10 or 15 words that you see repeated in a lot of these job postings. So, for example, you might see customer service over and over again, friendly, organized, or maybe you see listed several times some of the systems that they want you to have experience with, Microsoft Office, Google Suite, or something like that. So make a list of the top 10 or 15 that you see repeated over and over again. Okay. And then step two is to make a list for yourself. Again, top 10 or 15 words or phrases that accurately describe you and that you want a potential employer to know about you. And then compare the two lists and see where there's an overlap. So maybe you see the word friendly coming up over and over again for a front office position. That wouldn't be too far fetched. Of course, you have to be friendly. You're dealing with a lot of clients all day, right? And maybe on your list, you have listed that you're a friendly or courteous person. Okay, so there's an overlap there. So make sure that you take those words and key phrases that overlap in both of those lists and pepper them throughout your resume. Okay, it shows that even if you don't have the exact experience they're looking for, you definitely have the skills. Okay, so that's definitely one way to really make your resume pop to a potential employer. Okay, another thing to consider is, most people, they organize their resume and, they have the two most important things, right? Work experience and education, and they don't think to put anything else on their resume. Have you ever volunteered somewhere? That's work experience. How about some of the projects you've done on the side? Maybe you went to college and you had a lot of projects that you worked with other people on. That shows teamwork, that shows collaboration, that shows a lot of different skills that could be brought to this potential new position. Okay, so don't just stick to skills, or excuse me, don't just stick to your work history and your education. Add some skills in there. Talk about some projects. Talk about some things you've done on the side. Talk about your interests. All those things are just as important, especially if they bring the skill set that your potential employer is looking for. Okay, so I hope those tips and tricks helped, and tune in for the next video. Okay, bye.